Alright guys, good morning. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use your Spotify account. Okay guys, recently I promised some of my guys that I will show them how they can use the Spotify premium account and how they can download their music, especially for those people that are having issues with the app. I want you to know that the same app I asked you to download from my channel is the one I'm using the background music from right now. So guys, for you to use this premium app, you need to have an account with the Spotify account. You first of all need to register from their account, and if you are not a registered member already, once you tap on the app, it will open and it will show you where you need to register with email account or with a Google account. First thing you need to know is that if you want to register with this app, you should not choose sign in with Google or sign up with Google. Just make sure that you choose sign in with email. So you just need to enter your email manually and enter your password that you need to use to register the account. Once they send you a confirmation email account on your email app, just copy the confirmation link to the space provided on the Spotify account. Once you are done registering with your account, just log in with your account. Once you log in into your account, there are some certain things that you need to do on this app in order for you to get started streaming on the app or to download the music. So first thing you need to do is that once you have logged in, you need to check this area from your app. So you can see that this on my own side is showing F. This F means that is the letter that starts with my username. So on your own end, it will be different from my own. Once you are able to see something like this is their own menu. So once you click on it, so come to settings. Click on the settings. Then ensure that all the area that is showing this green should be showing green on your own side also. All this area that you are saying that is showing green, I've done the settings on my own side. That is why I'm still showing you here, so that you'll be able to check it on your own side to show that it is showing this green button. That is why I'm showing it little by little, so that you'll be able to get it. So just know that all the areas that are showing green on my own app here is the one that are showing green on your own side too, in order to be able to stream the app and in order to make sure that you are able to download their music for offline use. So once you have done all this, once you are able to get it, let me do it once again. Let me scroll it up little by little. Make sure that this download using cellular is showing up. This green button is showing this green button. It simply means that it is on. This auto adjust quality also show that it is showing on. The next thing is to make sure that this Wi-Fi streaming is automatic also. Just make sure that they are automatic. This cellular streaming is also on automatic. Make sure that it is automatic. This cellular streaming means that whenever you have a data on your phone, you'll be able to listen to music on it. You'll be able to listen to this on it. But if this is not done, it's not in automatic, even when your data is on, you will not be able to listen to music. So make sure that this aspect is also what is also set as you are seeing on this screen right now. Another thing that you need to consider is that you make sure that this aspect also is turned on. Make sure that this aspect is turned on. Spotify connects in background. Whenever this aspect is turned on, is showing this green button. It simply means that whenever you are listening to music and you come out of the app, maybe you come out of the app like this, so you still be able to be listening to the music even when you are not on the app. So that is that about that. So scroll up again. Make sure that all these green are showing green. All these green are showing green. All these green are showing green. Just know they are showing green. Then another thing I want you to consider from here is that this video podcast, make sure that whenever you want to save a video or audio, be saved in audio files, not in video files, so that it will not consume your data. Just so that this aspect is also turned on as well. So scroll up, I think that is all. Then we go back. That is that about the settings of this app. Then if you want to download music on this premium app, then there is one thing that you need to do, which is you need to create a playlist. So assuming that you want to download this music that I'm currently listening to right now, you can download any music from this app. But for you to be able to download this app, you need to create a playlist. So click on this button at the top, this three dotted icon. First of all, you click on it. Now, for you to be able to download this music, you will need to add this music to a playlist. You can see that I've already created a playlist. That is why you are seeing my playlist. Add to my playlist 2. I've created playlist 1, I've created playlist 2. So now in order for you to download this music, you will need to create a playlist. And if you have not yet created any playlist on this your premium app, then you need to click on this add to playlist in order to create a playlist on your own account. So click on it. So now what you need to do is to tap on this new playlist. Tap on this new playlist. Tap on it. And you can see that this is my playlist. If you can change it to any name of your choice, like my offline music. This is another playlist I have just created now. Then click on create. Now you have successfully created a new playlist. Now for you to be able to download this music now, what you will need to do is to click on the 3 dotted line at the top right corner again and click on add to playlist. Then click on add to playlist. Then click on add to playlist. As you can see, now it is now on the playlist now. So let's go back and download another music. You have not yet downloaded the music. I want you to know that. Now assuming that I want to get a music from this one, click on Too Faithful. So currently now I'll be listening to Too Faithful, song sung by Moses Bliss. Now in order for me to add this music to my new playlist, then I'll click on the 3 dotted line at the top right corner. So click on add to my offline playlist. So it is now on my playlist. Now let me go back. So now for you to get your playlist, then come to your library at the bottom left corner. Click on your library. Now this is all the libraries in my Spotify account. So this is the playlist that I've just created now on my own Spotify account. So I will go there, so tap on it. Currently now this is the music Too Faithful. As you can see, this is Too Faithful. Now in order for me to download this music, I will tap on the download button. As you can see from here, you will click on it. Let me show you this way. This is it, download button. So click on it. So to download all the music on this playlist, as you can see that I've downloaded one, then I've also downloaded the second one. So now if I should off my data now, I'll be able to continue listening to this music offline even when I don't have data. If you love this video and you find this tips helpful, please like, comment and subscribe on my YouTube channel, because from my YouTube channel you'll be able to get more access to the app. And if you don't already have this premium account, this premium app, you can come to my Telegram channel. I will drop the link on the description to get access to my Telegram channel to be able to download the Spotify Premium app on the Telegram channel.